What's going on? Welcome back to Father Son DIY Garage.
Today, my son and I are going to show you how to season your backyard smoker.
So before you start slapping oil on your smoker, you want to make sure you have nice clean steel, no rust. So this is our old offset smoker. And what we're going to do is take a sandpaper wheel on our drill, or if you have heavy rust, you want to take a wire wheel with your grinder and knock that rust off before you start.
The next step is to light up the smoker and get it hot. Here we're using walnut. It's a nice hard wood, and we're using some offcuts from other projects. When you're smoking meat, be sure to use hard woods. You don't want to have any pine or any of those soft woods.
So now that we got our fire started, we're going to go ahead and add some smoke flavor while we're oiling up. We're going to use some cherry wood chips, some hickory chips, some mesquite chunks, and some oak logs. These are all the woods that we use while we're smoking our meats, and so we want that flavor to bake into the smoker.
All right, we like to use canola oil to season up our smokers. I'm going to put some in the bottle here so it makes it easy to spray on. Not bad, and I did that without my glasses.
And if you guys want to see how we built this offset smoker, check out our most recent video, how to build an offset smoker. Then you're going to want to grab your spray bottle and start soaking the entire outside of the smoker down. After you spray it on, you're going to want to give it a nice wipe with a rag. And what this is going to do is just coat the whole entire smoker. We're shooting for 100% coverage on this. And just know the better you season it, the less likely it is to rust. We like to season up the outside of the smoker every month while we're doing cooks, and the inside of the smoker about every 6 months. And if you guys haven't been here before, this is Father Son DIY Garage. My dad and I do DIY projects around the house, metalworking, woodworking. And if you guys like what you see, give us a subscribe and comment down below, I subscribed. You can see how that oil starts to bake on like a nice kind of golden brown. That's exactly what we want. Now we're going to open the smoker up and we're going to use some PAM, which is also a canola oil blend, and we're going to spray the whole inside of this smoker. We like using this because it kind of gets in all the cracks and crevices and helps season it up better. For the parts of the smoker that are not going to get the heat of the fire, like the base, we're going to go ahead and give those a spray down and wipe them just like everything else. And then we're actually going to take a torch and we're going to burn the oil straight onto the metal to season it.
At this point, you want to grab a nice ice cold beer.
We got the whole entire smoker coated with oil, and we're going to repeat this process about 2 or 3 more times to get this thing nice and coated. That way when it sits out here, it's not going to rust. So
There you go. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
thanks for tuning in to Father Son DIY Garage. We'll see you next time.
Cheers.